Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at a full blacked out urban EDC loadout. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so now to support the channel. Thanks. I generally don't have any all black EDC gear, so I thought it would be cool to put a completely blacked out urban EDC loadout. I did not want to spend a lot on the loadout, so I pulled some things that I already owned and got a few more things that were not terribly expensive. This resulted in a budget blacked out urban EDC loadout. Let's get started. There are three parts to the gear. There's my mobile phone with an all black case, so pretty straightforward. This pouch over here contains extra power, so it's kind of a PU nylon combo pouch. It's clamshell, so it opens with a zipper just like that. And over here I've got a power bank, and I've owned this power bank for more than 10 years now, and it still works fine. Now over in this netted compartment I do have a cable. This is really for convenience to just go ahead to charge my phone directly. Let's get that out over there. So that's just a protector. But I also carry this item over here, also on black. This is a cable card. And basically, inside, there's a collection of different cables and some tools that you use in an urban setting, especially for your electronics. So you've got all kind of connectors that can change from, let's say, a mini USB to a Type-C. Well, this is Type-C, so it can change to mini USB, can change to an Apple head as well. And if you actually put in a power source, there's also a light which lights up, which can act as a very bright reading light. But this is the cable card, very compact, so I don't even need this if I don't want to, because that specific cable is already in here as well. But I carry that for convenience, as I said, and that all fits in this small black pouch. Now let's come to this one over here. This is the pouch that holds all my EDC tools. This is the Viper 8 VE10 in black, and I did a review on this pouch. I pitted it against the Maxpedition Micro pouch, so you can check that out and check out the video in the link above or the description below. So this is all black, but I broke my rules a bit by putting these morale patches which aren't black. But I thought it was pretty cute. We've got the EDC and we've got a knife, and that's rule 9, that's Gibbs 9, you know, never leave home without a knife. So I think that's fitting, but if I really want to go all black, I could take out the morale patches. So this is a clamshell style pouch. It fits everything inside. You can unzip it and it opens up 3 sides just like that. So I did not want to deliberately stuff this pouch. I wanted it to just carry my essential urban EDC tools that were useful, but all blacked out, as you can see. So let's check out the gear starting from the left. We've got a flashlight. This is the Olight i5R EOS. So this is just a different version. There's the i5T, and that basically means it's not rechargeable. It runs on a AA battery. This is a rechargeable battery, but you can also run it on a AA battery, so that's actually pretty good. It's got 2 lighting modes, very bright, but it also can be dimmer. Very practical in terms of size. I've got a whole bunch of these in different materials and different colors. And in fact, there's also the i3T or i3R as well, which is a smaller version. Now, next to it, I have my multi-tool in the form of the Swiss Army knife Cadet in ALOX. So great compact knife. I've got my flathead screwdrivers in 2 sizes, cap lifter, can opener if I need it, wire stripper. I've got a secondary blade in terms of the small blade, and of course the main blade on this 84mm knife. So as a secondary knife, that goes in here, as well as kind of a multi-tool, so that fits just nice, just like that. And over here, I've got a pen. This is by Bokeh, and it is a tactical pen. This bolt action, you push it down, and you can kind of fidget with it by releasing it, and then pushing it down, releasing it, pushing it down. I don't get it, but it was supposed to be a cool tactical pen, so I bought it on that basis, but it's basically just a pen. A nice pen, nice size for EDC, and this is made of aluminum, very strong, and it's all in black, so fits this kit very well, and I've had this for some time as well. In the middle, I've got this capsule or cylinder. You can see some duct tape around it. That's really supposed to be a fire extender, because inside, if I unscrew it just like that, I've got a whole bunch of matches. So these are waterproof, windproof matches. I've got some striking surface over here, so if I ever need to start a fire, I've got matches. And I've also got some jute rope there to be used as not so much as a tinder, but just I guess, yeah, a bit of sort of a kindling if I need to just get a fire going. And that just screws on like that. Very convenient. And of course, if you put something similar, if you do not want to carry matches, you could carry your medication or supplements or whatever might fit into that over there. And that's just helped by this black keyring onto the loop, which already comes with this Vibrate VE10. So really nice and secure. You see how everything's together, nothing will fall out. Now on this side, I've got more tools, a multi-tool in the form of the Gerber dime in all black. So this is similar to the Leatherman squirt, because the main tool is this pair of pliers. And then you've got a whole bunch of other tools which are on the outside. The difference with the Gerber dime, you access the tools on the outside. Let's just check out a few. We've got a nice sheep's foot style blade over there. So won't use that much. I already have, 3 blades between those 2 knives there, but we do have a pair of scissors that can always come in useful. And then we've got screwdrivers and such. Let's check out one of the screwdrivers over, how about here? That's right. So you got a flathead screwdriver, and you have another flathead which could be used almost as a Phillips head, and you've got a small file. Not very good, I think, the file, but again, small mini micro tool, which is a whole bunch of things like this bottle opener here as well. Great to have in a EDC loadout like this, and that fits so nicely in that pouch over here. Finally, we have my main knife. It's all black, and this is the Sandcut Acumen. And this is a budget knife. I've reviewed this before, so do check out the link in the card above or the description below. Flipper tab for a very nice drop point blade. This is 19CR18 MOV, so it is a budget blade, but very sharp and overall very serviceable knife with a liner lock over there. I added this black bead with the lanyard, and I think just completes the look. I don't usually do lanyards and beads, but for these kits, especially the all single color themed kind of kits, I think it works very well. And this knife itself also great EDC knife in terms of the thickness. And if you look at the various knives that I carry here, we've got that smaller knife, so it's a great secondary knife. And if I really want an even smaller knife, then of course I have that knife over here. But basically quite a few knives in this one kit, but as an EDC loadout, I think it's pretty good. There you have it, my entire budget blacked out urban EDC loadout. I'll put links to most of the products in the description below so you can check them out. Do you have any blacked out gear that you think will add value to my loadout? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.